Welcome back, hackers and cybersecurity enthusiasts, to Hack the Matrix. Today, we're delving deep into the intricate world of cybersecurity with a focus on a pervasive threat: the user man-in-the-middle attack. I'm your cybersecurity Sherpa, and together, we'll traverse the treacherous landscapes of ManInTheMiddle attacks. By the end of this video, you'll be well equipped to defend against this menace, ensuring your digital fortress remains impregnable. So, let's buckle up and embark on this enlightening journey. 1. Understanding man-in-the-middle attack. Picture this scenario. You're engrossed in a hushed conversation with a friend about your top-secret plans. But unbeknownst to both of you, a cunning eavesdropper lurks nearby, meticulously intercepting every word exchanged. This surreptitious intrusion mirrors the core of a man-in-the-middle attack. A man-in-the-middle (ManInTheMiddle) attack is a devious technique employed by cyber adversaries to infiltrate the confidentiality and integrity of digital communication. It occurs when an unauthorized third party cunningly interjects themselves between two legitimate users, surreptitiously observing or tampering with their exchanged data. This deceptive attack can strike in diverse settings, ranging from seemingly benign public Wi-Fi networks to seemingly harmless websites and even compromised routers. How man-in-the-middle attack works now. Let's unfurl the complex layers of a man-in-the-middle attack and unearth its sinister workings. 1. Reconnaissance. At the inception of the ManInTheMiddle journey, the crafty attacker embarks on a quest for valuable reconnaissance. Armed with digital binoculars, they scour for every scrap of information related to their target. The attacker analyzes network configurations, identifies IP addresses, maps the intricate topology, and seeks out potential vulnerabilities. This meticulous data gathering sets the stage for their malevolent schemes. 2. Spoofing. With an arsenal of collected knowledge, the attacker adorns the mask of a legitimate entity to camouflage their true intentions. They might masquerade as an alluring Wi-Fi hotspot, replete with a name that appears benign and enticing. Unsuspecting users, lured by the illusion of safety, unknowingly connect to the attacker's nefarious trap. Similarly, the attacker might impersonate a trusted website, subtly diverting traffic towards their cunning web. 3. Intercepting traffic. With a masterstroke of deception, the attacker assumes their position in the communication channel. As a stealthy observer, they secretly intercept the data exchanged between the two unsuspecting parties. This interception can be as subtle as passive eavesdropping, where the attacker sits quietly in the shadows, gleaning sensitive information, or as audacious as active data manipulation, wherein they surreptitiously modify the data before forwarding it to its intended destination. 4. Relay attack. In the most insidious instances, the attacker executes a relay attack, cleverly positioning themselves as a ghostly mediator between the legitimate parties. When Party A sends a message to Party B, the attacker deftly captures the communication, alters it if needed, and then relays it to Party B. Likewise, they artfully return Party B's response back to Party A, leaving both parties blissfully unaware of the puppeteer pulling the strings. 3. Common man-in-the-middle attack techniques. Now, brace yourselves as we unmask some of the nefarious techniques wielded by attackers in their quest to execute man-in-the-middle attacks. 1. Rogue Wi-Fi hotspots. In this Machiavellian scheme, attackers set the stage by crafting alluring rogue Wi-Fi hotspots. These hotspots are designed with names akin to legitimate public Wi-Fi networks, enticing users to connect without a second thought. Once ensnared, unsuspecting users inadvertently fall prey to the attacker's trap, allowing them to intercept and exploit transmitted data. 2. ARP spoofing, poisoning. Prepare to dive into the arcane world of address resolution protocol, ARP, spoofing. Here, the attacker plays puppet master, manipulating the ARP cache of devices within a local network. By issuing fraudulent ARP messages, the attacker cunningly associates their MAC address with the IP address of the legitimate gateway. Consequently, data destined for the gateway unwittingly dances into the clutches of the attacker. 3. SSL stripping. As we navigate the encryption realm, we encounter SSL stripping, a cunning attack on the fundamental pillars of secure browsing. In this malevolent dance, the attacker skillfully downgrades secure HTTPS connections to vulnerable HTTP. This downgrade not only exposes sensitive data to prying eyes but also deceives users into believing they are safe in a secure haven. 4. Mitigation and protection. Fear not, vigilant viewers, for we shall now equip ourselves with the armor of knowledge to fend off the man-in-the-middle menace. 1. Always use secure websites, HTTPS, in your digital quest. Always seek the comfort of secure websites adorned with the iconic padlock symbol in the browser address bar. HTTPS encryption shrouds your data in an impenetrable cloak, thwarting the malicious intentions of ManInTheMiddle attackers. 2. Be wary of public Wi-Fi. The shadowy corners of public Wi-Fi networks harbor lurking dangers. Exercise caution and abstain from connecting to unsecured public Wi-Fi, especially when engaging in sensitive activities like online banking. If compelled to venture into this realm, fortify your defenses with the aid of a trustworthy VPN. 3. Verify SSL certificates. A discerning eye can pierce through the veil of deception. When treading the digital landscape, scrutinize SSL certificates with unyielding vigilance. Ensure that the website certificate matches the rightful owner, and should any doubts linger, refrain from proceeding. 4. Use VPNs. Harness the power of virtual private networks, VPNs, to forge a secure tunnel through the digital wilderness. By encrypting your internet traffic, VPNs act as your unwavering guardians, shielding your online activities from the prying eyes of malicious actors. 5. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. In this realm of advanced defense, fortify your online fortresses with the impenetrable wall of two-factor authentication, 2FA. This dynamic duo ensures that even if an attacker breaches one barrier, the second factor shall stand tall, safeguarding your digital sanctuaries. As we conclude our epic expedition through the treacherous realm of man-in-the-middle attacks, let us bear in mind that the pursuit of cybersecurity is a collective responsibility. Arm yourself with knowledge, fortify your defenses, and embrace a vigilant mindset. Together, we shall stand strong, warding off cyber threats from our digital abodes. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and join our tribe by subscribing to Hack the Matrix for a myriad of captivating cybersecurity content. We welcome your questions, feedback, and ideas for future explorations in the vast universe of cybersecurity. Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and until we meet again, stay safe and secure.